that guy doing? Maybe he's telling me to get out. There's Tsunami? Am I dying? Yep, here we go. We actually bad? No? Oh. Here? Oh no, right there. Moving? Alright, first pull. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Load her up. Oh! Oh, I might have something. It could be heavier than this stuff. Can't really tell. Oh, I do have something. I do! I got a crab. I think. Oh, let's go! Oh, oh shit. This guy's kind of f***ed up. Sorry, bud. Yeah, I caught the disabled crab. Go. Oh, I was about to become the disabled crab. I have to worry about this guy. Man, that's on the first cast too. This is actually a good sign. Let's see how this guy's going. Got a small guy. He's pretty back where he came from. Alright, to the sea. She never did this type of thing. Oh, what happened to the reel? What's going on there? Ugh. I guess. Another drink. Okay, I'll try right off this deal. Oh, shit. Oh. Yeah. I'll give it a pull. Why the hell not? Oh, wait. No, that's just the... Is it? I seriously can't tell. It might be just... Oh no, it's just seaweed. Oh, all the bait's gone. Wow. Well. Okay, I left it for way too long. It's definitely feeding over there. What's that guy doing? Maybe he's telling me to get out. There's Tsunami? Am I dying? Alright, new plan. We're gonna pull it out every 3 minutes. I think I'm leaving it in there for way too long. Get rid of that. Here we go. Oh, I think I had that one to the outside. Brains in there with guts. All the healthy fixins. Crab would ever want. Pack this full. I want a full crab. Ah, that's good. I'd eat that. Right. Let's pull tight. Yeah. There we go. That's not bad. I don't think it's moving that much, but maybe I should switch to a 2 ounce. Switch to a 3 ounce. I have one. I don't think I have one. Oh my god. I think this one had it. Another 2 ounces would hurt, but with the weight of the deal there. What the hell are these? These ticks? See these bugs? What are these? I don't hear anyone. A guy went out in his kayak. There's no way that there's a deal. Where'd he go? That guy might have died. Let's send her back out and I'll put it in there. Let's try for 3 minutes maybe. Alright, let's get back on this spot. I might just stay there. Down a little bit. Now I'm looking for it. 3.5 minutes. We'll check it again. Fucking rod. Whoa. Oh no, what do we got? No, it's still there. Let's go a little more this way. Those are rocks right there. Grief! Oh, that's far. Oh, that's right where I wanted it to. That's probably gonna get one. Let's see where we're at. Oh, oh, sure I do. Let's see. No, I don't. I should have just dropped it. Oh, I should have more bait on it. Okay. Get a little there. Back. Send it now. Oh. Boom. We good? Let's get in position here. Alright, here we go. Oh, that is nothing on it. Oh, that might. Oh, no. That has something on it. Yeah, that has something. Oh, that's not even a fish. What the hell? What was that? I had something on it. Pretty sure. I definitely had something on it and stopped. Oh, wow. Yeah. I definitely had something on it. All the bait's gone. Slurped right up. Okay. That's funny. That's hilarious. Let me get rebaited and I'll throw it right back up. Look at this guy. Full of bait. Everything nasty a crab would like. Back. Yeah. Yeah, that'll catch something. It's something, alright. Well, I'm gonna be here for the next 4 hours. That gets any bites. Come on. That feels good, that feels good. Oh yeah. We got something. We got something. Definitely got something. Oh, what we get? Oh, we got one. We got one. Let's go. Good stuff. Oh, damn. Look at that. Let's go. Let's go. Got him. Secured. Let's see here. This fucker wants to pinch me. Blood. Look at blood. Got him. Just send him on his merry way. What do you think? Oh, where's my lucky glove? Right here. It's him right there. There's little buddy. First crab of the 2025 season. Let's go. Send him on his way. There you go. Alright, here we go. Last cast. No, there's nothing. Oh, nothing with an egg. That's insane.